Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and I'm actually shooting from Vienna today. And today, I want to talk about how you can pay off most, if not all, of your vacations. Because I know planning a vacation can be depressing for some, especially if you are pulling money from your credit card, which I do not suggest, or pulling money from your savings. And so, the whole idea here is to generate enough income so you could actually fund all the fun activities that you want to do, whether that's traveling, spending more time with your friends and family, and being able to do the things that you want to do on your own time. And so here's how you do it. You go ahead and you pick a product that you can profit from. And some people will try to create their own product, but the easiest way to do it is to promote other people's products. And I personally promote high value products, especially ones with very good commissions and provide a lot of value to customers. And so that's what I do. And then I promote it. And the way that I promote it is through digital marketing. And through digital marketing, you can use online platforms, whether that's social media, video platforms, and other platforms to promote what you want to actually sell to others. And I mentioned sales because some people think that sales is bad, but the whole idea here is creating value for other people, creating a transformation to get them from where they're at to where they want to be. And so the way I do that is, of course, providing high value products, and that's what I personally promote. So if you want to learn more about this, on how to pay for your vacations, how to generate enough money to hopefully retire early, if that's what you are interested in, make sure that you go ahead and check out the link in my description, and I'll show you how to do that. That's all for now. This is Charles Draven from InfoSpike.